Hi everybody, welcome to Self-Care Sunday. My name is Bea Stengo, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about taking care of yourself through eating well. And so one of the things that I do on Sunday to feel better and relax, and Sunday's sort of like my day that I have time to do other things, is that I like to make food, and I often cook several meals that are good for the week. And I like to make good food that's good for me and good for my family. And some of that can be super simple. And so I was just going to show you a very simple salad recipe. I call it a chop salad because you make everything real small, but it really is so simple and it only takes a few ingredients. So we'll get started. Everything you need for the chop salad is right there in front of you. So I have some organic grape tomatoes. I have an organic English cucumber. I have some scallions, a little bit of onion, my chopping bowl, salt, pepper, oil, vinegar, lemon juice, and a bell pepper. So I'm going to start chopping these up into small pieces. And I also have some chickpeas because you can add them for protein if you like. And this is going to make a really beautiful, colorful salad. Okay, so we'll start with cutting the cucumber. We'll cut off the end, and I cut them in about 1/4 inch slices. And I'll show you that in just a second. So I cut the pieces like this, about that thick. And then stack them on top of each other, and then cut once, twice. So 2 slices that way and 2 slices this way to get small little chunks of cucumber like that. And I toss those into my bowl. So we'll cut up about half of this cucumber. Then I'll add a little bit of onion, just a little bit of onion, not a whole bunch. For the tomatoes, I have to use a serrated knife to get through, and I usually cut them in 3 or 4 slices. So they come out just little slices like this. Okay, toss those into the salad. I chop about, 10 to 15 little tomatoes together. But the idea is that you make lots of small little bits so that everybody gets a bite of every flavor in their mouth for every mouthful of their salad. Then for my scallions, I usually use scissors. So let me get my scissors out. And I just chop them into there. Some green onions, and that's good. And then I'll just take a side off of this beautiful orange pepper. Notice I have lots of different colors here. I have reds and oranges and greens and white. Just makes a very beautiful salad. Now I'll cut this into strips, just skinny strips like this. And then I'll just cut those into little squares. These add like nice sweetness and nice color. There you can see the salad coming together. We've got the cucumber, the tomato, the peppers, the scallions, the onions. So you can put as much or as little as you like. My family absolutely loves this salad, so I make it every week, actually, probably multiple times a week, for everybody to eat. And you can actually mix it with other things. You can mix it with rice to have a rice salad or whatever you like. But I like lots of tomatoes in mine. Tomato is probably my favorite vegetable all around. So once you've got plenty of all the vegetables that you like, I'm using my hands because they're clean. I use just a little bit of oil, and I use actually canola oil rather than olive oil, because if I don't eat it all in one sitting, then the olive oil tends to congeal in the fridge. I have a beautiful lemon from my neighbor's tree, so I'm going to chop that and squeeze in the juice, some lemon juice there. There's a pretty strong lemon. There we go. Squeeze some lemon juice in there. Make it lemony, nice and lemony. And then I also like to add just a little bit of apple cider vinegar, just for a little bit of extra tartness. It adds a different type of tartness than the lemon juice does. Then we have some black pepper and some salt. And you only put on the salt right before you eat it, because salt will make the vegetables weep a little bit more. Then you mix it all up and you have a beautiful chop salad. And it's a delicious salad, as well as being good for you, super healthy, super delicious. And then this one, we're gonna throw in just a few chickpeas, and that adds a little bit of protein, and it's just pretty to look at and absolutely delicious and healthy. And you can eat that as a midday snack or as lunch to go with your lunch, and you have a beautiful chop salad. And so you're there. So that's the easy chop salad that's delicious and healthy, and I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us. Bye. Have a good Sunday.